back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be having the ultimate self-care shopping day. Always wanted to film one of these videos because I've seen so many creators do it in Sephora, in Boots, all the American stores as well. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we're going to be having the ultimate self-care restock today. I have already made myself a little list because I didn't want to drift away from the list. I actually want to stick with what I need and what I wanted to restock on. Self-maintenance bits I need to get. I need to get some new charcoal toothpaste, mouthwash, razors, a new loofah. I also want to go look at the brand new Valentine's body care stuff in Lush today because they've come out with all their Valentine's collections. I also really want to go to Sephora. I want to try and get a new face mask and look at the Gisou hair products. I really want to try and look for the new hair mask that they come out with, and also the new lip mask that just launched in Sephora, and I really want to try and get my hands on one. Gisou honey infused hair oil because I've run out of mine. That is everything on my shopping list. Let's head to town. Guys, I found the brand new honey glazed collagen lip mask. Look how cute this is.
I've been talking about this ever since we got here, so I think I should buy it.
I want to try it. I wonder if it actually smells good though.
Oh my, yes.
Let's try it. Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
It smells like an Indonesian vanilla one.
Yeah.
I really like it.
I think although it's small, like, you probably don't need a lot.
It's going in the basket.
In the basket.
Essential bits, and I usually go with 5-blade razors because I always feel like I get a cleaner shave. I'm gonna go with these 5-blade ones. I'm gonna go grab my dental bits, and I also need to get a loofah. Let's go find these bits. Now a few days later from the shopping day out. We literally had such a nice girly day out. We went for hot chocolate, we got some Greggs, went shopping. I did in fact stick to my list, but I also diverted from my list in some ways. I literally could not get over the sales this time of year. Everything was so good, so I had to get some new bits. Let's get into this haul. I'm so excited to show you guys. First things first, let's start off with Lush because I feel like Lush is such a strong favourite. This time of year, after Boxing Day, everything is basically 50% off in the Snow Fairy department. I wanted to restock on some of my body care favourites. I have already started to use these, so they look a little bit suspicious. It's because I used them last night. We have a brand new Snow Fairy shower gel. I love Snow Fairy so much. It is literally my signature scent. I wear it all year round. Snow Fairy body scrub. I got the big one. And then also, of course, we got a big Snow Fairy body lotion. You cannot go wrong with this trio. You need a good scrub, shower gel, lotion to make sure we're layering all the scents. One thing I love just as much as my body care from Snow Fairy collection is of course the gift sets. These were literally 50% off. This is a Snow Fairy bath bomb and bubble bar. Picked up this Snow Fairy bath bomb, of course. This was literally £3. I couldn't get over how good this was. Reindeer. This one again is so cute. It literally smells like sticky dates. Let's do some of the self-maintenance bits. I've actually got this charcoal white pro toothpaste. I've noticed such a difference in my teeth since I've started using this toothpaste. I wanted to restock on this. I noticed the change almost after like 1 or 2 brushes, and I couldn't get over how white my teeth have become. I also wanted to get a new bar of soap, so I got this oat milk and berry brulee Dove soap, brand new mouthwash. I completely ran out of mine. This one lasted me ages. I also picked up some new 5-blade razors, a new loofah, which is baby pink. It's so cute. I got some new Gisou and Rhode bits. I recently picked up the Rhode glazing milk and then the Rhode peptide lip treatment in salted caramel. Recently, I picked up a brand new Gisou hair oil because I did just run out of mine after like a year. Love this product so much. And then of course I got the brand new Gisou Honey Glaze Collagen Therapy Lip Mask. I've been wearing this every night before bed, when I wake up, throughout the day since I've bought it in the last few days, and I love it. I think it's definitely a new favourite of mine because it's winter now. My lips dry out so easily. The last thing I bought was in fact from Bershka. Now I know this was not a self-care purchase, but I saw this really cute fluffy coat. I've been on the hunt for one throughout December and I actually found this really fluffy one. I've already taken photos in it, so I'll insert them on the screen. It is so fluffy and so soft. Nice and thick as well. Like I can definitely see myself wearing this in spring as well. I'm in love. That is everything I got on my girls' day out. I literally had the best day ever. I'm really glad I vlogged. I really pushed myself out of my comfort zone. 3 people asked me about my YouTube channel. I was very scared. I know I need to put myself out there, but I get so nervous sometimes because I still feel like I'm just starting out. Its reality has like been a few years. One last thing I wanted to add into this video. This isn't necessarily shopping, but it is a big moment and I really wanted to film my reaction opening it and include it in a vlog of mine. If you watch my videos, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, you don't even need to scroll to find that I'm probably drinking something from Starbucks. I'm using a Starbucks cup. I love my coffees, I love my matchas, I love Starbucks, and I've been such a huge fan of theirs for years, ever since I can remember really, and I love creating content with them. But I actually received an email a few days ago from them. They wanted to send me some stuff for their new upcoming campaign, which is now live by the way. So if you haven't tried their brand new pistachio menu, make sure to do so. Run to your local Starbucks to try it. It's so good. And they kindly sent me a huge PR box and I filmed myself opening it, so I'm gonna insert it here. Okay, this is like so pretty. Wait. As you guys can see, they absolutely spoiled me. I feel so grateful and I can't believe that they've seen my content. I feel like that's such a big thing. It's kind of crazy. I feel so grateful and what an amazing way to start the year. I'm actually using my tumbler right now as I'm filming this. Starbucks macchiato in here. I've made at home. Thank you so much to the Starbucks social media team. I am so grateful. I feel so honoured to be on your PR list and to have received bits from your brand new collection. But you guys watching this, make sure to go shop. I wanted to include this in this video. It's going to be my next video posted. I really hope you guys have all enjoyed watching this shopping haul. It's been so much fun to film, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know, and the next time I need to do like a big restock, I will vlog it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video.